Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasant evening indeed. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Daffodils High Public School Annual Day celebrations. I, Vasanti Jagtab, the coordinator of primary section, welcome you all to our annual day function. This year is even more special for us as we celebrate 10 years, a decade of empowering learners and enriching lives. May I call upon all the dignitaries on stage.
या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना.
Let us now proceed with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and ushering in of knowledge and wisdom.
देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु
I would request our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Shubha Saxena, our honorable principal ma'am, Mrs. Sonali Zagre, respected trustees, Mr. Amarjit Singh and Charanjit Singh, to light the auspicious ceremonial lamp and invoke the blessings of the divine.
वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा. शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदाम्
Thank you, everyone.
ज्ञानान्धकारापहा.
We are honored and delighted to have Mrs. Shubha Saxena. She is retired principal, our honorable chief guest for the annual day function. She is a graduate in economics and bachelor in education. She has been associated in teaching for almost 38 years, from kindergarten level to graduation. Apart from teaching, she is interested in acting. As one of her passions, she has also performed in commercial shows with Yatri Group. Her more interests are reading books, writing poems, gardening, drawing, and painting. She loves traveling and have traveled around the world. These experiences have helped her in teaching the students. I would request Trustee Sir Mr. Amarjit Singh to welcome our honorable guest with the memento. Now, I would request Stuti Chindarkar, Junior Captain, to welcome our trustee sir, Mr. Charanjit Singh. I request Swaroop Ranawde, Junior Captain, to welcome our trustee, Sir, Mr. Amarjit Singh. Now I call upon Soham Taude to welcome our principal ma'am, Mrs. Sonali Zagre. Thank you all. I would request Sir to speak a few words of wisdom.
Respected Chief Guest, Ms. Shubha Saxena, Vice President of the Trust, Mr. Charanjit Singh, Principal Madam, members of staff, parents and dear students, I welcome you all to the annual day celebration of DHPS. Today we gather to celebrate this momentous occasion, the annual day of our school. This year also marks a significant milestone, that is the 10th anniversary of our school. It's been 10 years that we have started the school and it's progressing. This year becomes more significant because this year the council has granted us permanent affiliation. This milestone not only reflects the hard work and dedication of the school, but also sets a stage of future growth and success. I am honored to stand before you as the secretary of the institution, a place which has become second home for many of us. As we reflect on the past decade, we are filled with sense of pride and accomplishment as to how far we have come and so many achievements we accomplished together. Since inception, our school has been a place of learning, growth, and opportunity. We have strived to provide our students with all-round education, not only prepares them academically, but also nurtures their character and value. I still recall that we had started a school in 2014. At that point of time, we had just 100 students and 22 staff. I'm proud to share with you that now we have 1,000 students and 90 staff, and we are still going stronger. As far as the building is concerned, it was initially a ground plus one floor structure, first floor structure. We added two more additional floors in the years to come to provide better facilities and also introduce more sports options. We have given more subjects to 9th and 10th grade, allowing them to select courses that align with their career options. Similarly, over the years, we have introduced a number of sports like football, volleyball, chess, Rubik's, carom, badminton, to help students develop their skills and also develop a spirit of sportsmanship. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our dedicated teachers and staff who have worked relentlessly, tirelessly to create a positive and nurturing environment for our students. Your commitment and passion for education have truly made difference to lives of so many young individuals. Today, on this special occasion of our school's 10th anniversary, I would like to take a moment to express our appreciation for our school's principal. Over the past decade, she has exemplified unwavering dedication, passion, and dynamic leadership in steering the school towards progress. I would also like to thank our Didis for their dedication in taking care of the students and maintaining safe and clean environment of the school. Our 10th grade batches have shown determination and dedication towards their studies and therefore have performed exemplarily well in the ICSE examinations. In the field of sports too, our students have done remarkably well. To our parents, we deeply appreciate your trust and encouragement. Your belief in our potential motivates us to pursue excellence each day. We are truly thankful for your unwavering support and all our endeavors. As we go ahead to the next decade, we reaffirm our commitment to excellence, innovation, and inclusivity. We will continue to work harder to make this school a place where every student is valued, supported, and inspired to reach their full potential. Thank you, everyone, for being part of this incredible journey. Looking forward for next 10 years of success, growth, and prosperity. Let's enjoy the performances prepared by the teachers and students. Kindly appreciate them and cheer them. Thank you.
For the inspiring words. Now, I would request all the dignitaries to proceed towards the audience. I would request our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sonali Zagre, to read the annual report of the events and activities from 2023-24 till date. She is a powerful and effective role model who has infused us with positivity, enthusiasm, and is a constant source of inspiration for all of us. A perfect example of an ideal leader. Speaking about some of her achievements, in the year 23-24, she received an award from Logic Kids under the category of Leadership in 21st Century Skill Development for exceptional dedication and leadership for developing important 21st century skills among students. She also received earlier this year with an award for the Principal of the Year 2024 by Universal Mentors Association at 13th Edu Leader Summit. A big round of applause.
A very warm evening to one and all present here. Let us now sit back and take a quick review of events and activities that were conducted from April 2023 till date. Can we just switch off the lights in the auditorium? That's our staff, primary staff, grade 1 to 5 for the year 2023. That's the preschool pre-primary staff. That's upper primary and secondary teachers and our non-teaching staff. In the year 2023, school had been awarded as Outstanding Experiential Learning Implementations at India K-12 Summit 2022-23. School also received an Education Excellence Award under category of Holistic Development at 4th Edu Leaders Summit. These are the subjects that we offer in the primary section. And these are the subjects offered in co-curricular category. And events and activities conducted. That's the first day of the school in the month of April. A very busy day. That is Mahavir Jayanti. a documentary was shown. That is Good Friday. We had conducted an event, Mission to Moon, and students came in the evening to school. I hope you all remember. And they did stargazing from the telescope placed on the terrace of the school. A visit to Nita Ambani Cultural Square, the recently built. And the Environment Day, of course. And the International Yoga Day. We had got a trainer who conducted this event for the children, along with our PE teacher. And the Student Council election. So we trained them young, and we really want our children to become politicians. They do take their career seriously. And that's our Student Council. Students are jubilant to elect their house captains, vice captains. And this year we introduced junior captains and junior vice captains so that they learn to start young. That is Guru Purnima. Grade 9 had presented a small skit and solo dance competition. We encouraged students to understand the rich cultural heritage of India, and we had conducted a handloom exhibition on Independence Day. And that is Hindi Divas, conducted in the month of September. And of course, there has to be some fun and frolicking in the school as well. Students force teachers to break handis, and a poetry recitation competition. We had invited Katie Bugley, a very prominent author who writes kids' book, to conduct a storytelling session for our children, and children loved interacting with her. She narrated passages from her book, and that is our junior chef. They cook up a lot of stories. This time they cooked up some food items as well. And Students' Day. And of course, the picnics. If they come to school, they have right to go to picnic as well. So that's the picnic. And of course, last year, they did a lot of cleaning of the school as well for Diwali. And they brought a lot of sweets from home, and then they shared it with each other. They decorated the classes. They did this year too. And parents think they don't work or they can't work. You should have seen them cleaning the school. And sharing the delicacies. And the picnic to Saguna Bagh for grade 3 and 4. And the sports day. We began with our badminton championships last year. We had taken them to play in the court. The chess championships were held in the school premises. And our fun fair, where students put up their stalls and earn a lot of money. And we celebrated birth anniversary of Jijamata, Swami Vivekananda, and the Makar Sankranti, and the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. And of course, the carnival. I hope all of you remember this brilliant carnival. Witnessing magic show. This is our annual health checkup. And the 24-25 year begins with Ambedkar Jayanti in the month of April, reading out the passages from our constitution, and Mahavir Jayanti. They presented a skit, and we celebrated World Book Day. Children reading out passages and becoming the favorite character from their favorite book. The poetry recitation. And this year's student council elections. That is Maharashtra Day celebration for the primary section, which was conducted in our school auditorium upstairs. They looked so beautiful. This year, we launched our own EVS book for grade 1, and we also have our own EVS curriculum that we designed for nursery to grade 1, and next year we'll be bringing it for higher grades as well. This is Environment Day for the month of June, that dressed up as plants, and they discussed, I think, the systems. This is World Environment Day, International Yoga. That's a poster making competition. It's lovely. And Guru Purnima celebrations. They presented beautiful song and presented flowers to their teachers. That's a storytelling. And birth anniversary of our scientist, Vikram Sarabhai. That is the exhibition conducted. And parents were also invited to see the exhibition. This is our children-made flag from the Rubik cubes. Solo dance competition. And the Janmashtami. Frolicking in water. And all of them were dressed so beautifully, so traditional, in their best traditional attire, and they played Garba for the Navratri. And Diwali celebration. They look so happy. Thank you, all of you. Let us enjoy the show now. Thank you.
Music is an epitome of harmony in diversity. Music permeates the very essence of the universe. Let us begin this eventful evening with the welcome song.
स्वागतं 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 Wow, that was a lovely performance. Do you know, as per the ancient Indian tradition of Guru Shishya Parampara, the Guru plays a vital role in preserving and passing down the rich culture and intellectual heritage from one generation to next.
Yes, you are absolutely right. The Guru not only shares theoretical knowledge but also practical insights. Let us now take you all to one such ancient Gurukul.
आकाशाय विद्महे नभो देवाय धीमहि तन्नो गगनः प्रचोदयात् ॐ विद्यात्मनाय विद्महे महिस्वरूपाय धीमहि तन्नो वायुः प्रचोदयात् ॐ लालीलाय विद्महे वैश्वानराय धीमहि तन्नो अग्निः प्रचोदयात् जीवदेवाय विद्महे कन्दर्पकलाय धीमहि तन्नो जलः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भास्कराय विद्महे महद्युतिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्यः प्रचोदयात्
Hey enlightened one, can you please explain the meaning of this mantra to us?
Yes, Gurudev. Can you please tell us what does this means? The shlok that we recited today is a prayer offered to the five elements of nature.
5 elements of nature. What are they and why do we pray to them?
The tradition says that everything in the universe is created from the five elements that are earth, the Prithvi, fire, Tejas, wind, Vayu, water, Jal, and sky, Akash. From the smallest atom to the giant whale to the solar system itself, all things are said to be composed of some combination of these.
But how do these elements matter to us?
What we call a body is just the manifestation of these five elements. The five elements demonstrate how all aspects of human life are interconnected with nature and environment. These five elements, also known as the Panch Mahabhutas, the building blocks of the universe.
Gurudev, can you speak in detail about the 5 elements?
Yes, let me take you all to the world of the Panch Mahabhutas.